Okay, so I like to call this, which I learned from a meteorologist in my very first market, small dog and toupee warning. Hold on to your small dogs and toupees, right?
Hang on to it.
Windy out there.
Oh, it's crazy. Yeah, we got in fact. Yeah, I like that small dog.
Small dog and toupee.
Small dog, toupee. Throw a trash can in there. The whole thing. Hey, let me show you what's going on in terms of our peak gusts. Here's why. I mean, look at this. 58 miles per hour today in Atlantic City. You're going to have to hang on to all those things. Yeah, no question about it. I mean, look at it. In Wilmington, Lancaster, gust today at 51 miles per hour. In Philadelphia, our peak gust was 47. I mean, these are up there. 58 miles per hour. That is the equivalent of a severe thunderstorm warning criteria. They're not that strong now, relatively speaking, but still very strong. 46 miles per hour as we speak for Mount Pocono. 39 mile per hour gusts here in Philadelphia. 32 for Reading. Lancaster a bit lighter. 28. These winds are going to stay like this all night long, and it's having a big impact on our feels like temperature. We're widespread in the 20s now, and most of us mid and low 20s. It's 7 for Mount Pocono. So it is a cold night, and in addition to that, while we are dry over the Philadelphia area at the moment, there are still some lingering snow showers, and they're really tapering off. This is over the last hour or so, or actually 30 minutes. We had them over Bucks County, Bensalem, back over to Levittown. We had some roll around Trenton. We had some around Mount Hawley and over to, say, Morristown. But they're starting to taper off, and that trend will continue as we go into the evening. Here's the heart of the storm. It's very clear to see this counterclockwise spin. I mean, this storm is a monster, and this is why we call them nor'easters. Winds are named from where they come from, and in this situation, they're coming in out of the northeast, and that's why it's called a nor'easter. Now, this low is going to move on out. We're on the far tail end of that, but as it moves out, we're going to start seeing what's here. And notice how skies are clear over the D.C. metro down through Richmond. This clear sky is going to move over our area, so plenty of sunshine tomorrow, but it's going to stay windy and it's going to stay cold. So for tonight, 31 degrees. The snow showers that are out there come to an end, just lingering out there now. Give it another hour and any of those snow flurries will be gone. It stays windy and it is very cold. 15 to 25 mile per hour winds. That 31 out the door tomorrow is going to feel like anywhere between 15 to 20 degrees. That is it. And check it out. By 10, we have a feels like of 21. It's not until the afternoon, 1, 2 o'clock, that we even get above freezing with that wind chill factor, which is improved. We never got above today. 37 is the temperature into the afternoon with the wind chill. That's as warm as we get. Look at Thursday. What a difference, though. The numbers will warm back up into the upper 50s. It is the best day, the peak day of the week. I've been telling you about that the last couple of days. Lots of sun. The winds are light and the temperatures are mild, well above the normal, which is in the low 50s. Then we get into Friday, and while Friday is warmer, you say 61, okay, that's good. Unfortunately, there's going to be a lot of clouds out in the morning. Off and on showers throughout the day. This model really doesn't pinpoint it until the evening. I think the heaviest is in the evening, but look, you're going out Friday night, 8, 9 o'clock. The rain kicks in, and it is rain. It is not snow, and it lasts all night long into your Saturday morning, and at least for the early morning hours on Saturday before that moves on out. And it is a cold front, so as quickly as we go up to 58, 61, we go right back down by Sunday. It is chilly and breezy with a temperature of 44, but guys, our wind chills on Sunday staying back in the 30s. Mother Nature's not done with winter quite yet.
Wow. All right, Bill. Thank you.